Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called At the Airport. In this video, you will hear a natural and friendly conversation between two travelers, Ellie and Sam, as they make their way from an airport in the United States all the way to Japan. You will learn many useful phrases for checking in, going through security, talking on the plane, and arriving in a new country. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. Are you ready for takeoff? Let's begin our journey.
Wow, this airport is so busy today. I didn't expect this many people. It almost feels like a holiday season or something.
Yeah, it's always crowded in the morning. Business travelers, families, students, everyone's trying to catch early flights.
I guess that makes sense. Still, the energy here feels different. It's a bit overwhelming.
Are you feeling okay? You look a little tense.
A little nervous, to be honest. It's my first time flying to Japan, and I'm worried I might forget something important.
That's totally normal. International travel can feel like a big deal, especially the first time.
Yeah. I keep thinking, do I have everything? What if I mess up something at customs?
You worry too much. You're not going alone. I'll help you the whole way.
Thanks. That actually makes me feel a lot better. Let me check. Passport, boarding confirmation, wallet, headphones, charger. Okay, I think that's everything.
Don't forget your travel pillow. Long flights can be tough.
I put it in my backpack. And I packed an extra jacket because I heard airplanes can get cold.
Good idea. And your suitcase, is it not too heavy?
I hope not. I packed a few souvenirs for my friends in Japan.
Nice. Souvenirs already?
Yeah, I wanted to bring something American, but now I'm worried it added too much weight.
We'll see at the counter. If needed, we can rearrange things. Okay, this is our airline. Let's line up here. The line looks long, but it moves fast.
Do we need any documents ready? Should I take out my passport now?
Just your passport. They'll check the rest. Keep the other stuff in your bag.
All right. I always get nervous when someone checks my documents.
Everyone does. You'll be fine.
I'm a little worried about my luggage weight. It felt heavier this morning.
If it's overweight, you can move things to your backpack or even into my suitcase. I've got space.
Really? That would save me. I don't want to open my suitcase in front of everyone.
Don't worry. You won't be the only one if that happens.
True.
By the way, I requested aisle seats for both of us. It'll be easier to move around.
Thank you. More space and easier to stand up? Perfect.
Plus, we're close to the restrooms, but not too close.
You really planned everything.
Remember to take your laptop out and put it in a separate tray.
Right. And liquids. Under 100 milliliters? I think mine are all fine.
Put them in a clear bag and empty your pockets. Keys, coins, everything metal.
Got it. I always feel like I'm going to forget something.
Even if you do, they'll just recheck it. It's normal.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, here you do. Shoes, belt, Watch. Everything goes in the tray.
Traveling is so complicated. So many rules.
You'll get used to it. After a few trips, it'll feel automatic.
I'll just follow your lead for now. I'm a little hungry. Want to grab something to eat? We still have time.
Sure. Sandwich or coffee?
Coffee. I barely slept last night. I was too excited.
Really? I passed out immediately. Traveling makes me relaxed.
I wish I were like that. I kept thinking about immigration forms and the flight.
You'll be fine. Japan's easy. Do you want to look at the duty-free shop?
Maybe later. I don't want more bags. My backpack is already full.
I might grab snacks. Airplane snacks aren't always great.
Good idea. I'll get some gum for my ears. They're calling our group. Should we line up?
Yeah, let's go. Boarding early means more overhead space.
Good. I don't want my backpack far from my seat. Wow, the plane looks newer than I expected. Really clean.
This airline updates their planes often. Japanese airlines care about the details.
It actually helps me relax, seeing everything so organized.
Just wait until you see Japan's airports.
Did you bring a neck pillow?
Yep, you really need one for long flights.
I'm planning to sleep at least a few hours.
Smart. We need energy when we arrive. Looks like they're serving meals soon. I can smell something already.
I'm curious about Japanese airline meals.
You get a choice. Japanese style or Western style?
I'll start with the Japanese one. Might as well begin the experience early.
I'll get the Western one and compare.
Look at that view. We're over the ocean now. It feels endless.
Yeah. Once we hit halfway, I always start getting excited.
Nothing but sky and water. Kind of peaceful.
That's the Pacific Ocean.
I can't wait to land in Japan. I've been dreaming about this trip.
You'll love it. Food, people, culture, it's all amazing.
I'm ready for all of it.
Especially the food. You're going to eat non-stop.
Probably. We finally made it. My legs are stiff. I feel like I aged 10 years.
Let's walk slowly. No rush. Just enjoy the moment. We're in Japan!
It feels surreal. Do I need to fill out anything? I heard something about a QR code.
Immigration form and the customs QR code. I'll help you with the Japanese parts.
Thanks. Some of these characters look like ancient symbols.
Don't worry, you'll learn a few during the trip.
There are so many bags. I hope mine didn't get lost.
It'll come. The first batch is out. Keep an eye out.
Come on, suitcase. Show yourself.
There, isn't that yours?
Yes, thank goodness. Do we need to declare anything? I brought some snacks.
Snacks are fine. Just walk through the green lane.
I always feel guilty going through, even when I have nothing.
Everyone does.
Wow, so this is Japan. The air feels different, cleaner somehow.
Welcome to Japan. You made it.
What should we do first?
Ramen. Trust me, it's the perfect start.
That sounds perfect. I'm starving. Let's go.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this airport story and learned many helpful expressions for international travel. Try to remember these phrases and use them the next time you go to the airport or take an international flight. We are creating more slow and clear English videos like this, so you can practice listening, shadowing, and speaking English every day. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more English learning stories. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.